Okay, let's whiz over and have a look at the European indices this morning, and let's start with the DAX since it's come up. And okay, so this was the peak yesterday. I think that is the one up. This moved down overnight. I had as an A wave, then we came up rather high. It stuck our head above yesterday's high. I think it was an expanded flat as a B wave, which I put in the update this morning, and I think we're now getting this C down. This is the support. This can be a 4 with that as the 3 and a 5 still out there, but I suspect we're going to come into this zone here now in the C of 2 down, and start watching this from 12,275. The ideal is 12,239, and it can go down to 12,194. But I think we get the C down this morning. It does tend to track the US indices, particularly once they're open, and then after 4:30 European time, which is 2 hours precisely after the US markets open, then the European markets close, and the DAX will then follow the S&P. So if we see the ES bottom today in its C of 2, then I suspect we'll start the move up after hours in European terms in the DAX later today. So that's what I'm looking for the DAX. I'm still long anyway. However, I may add in this region here when we get there. UK FTSE, and again, I've been putting updates out a couple of times each morning, but yesterday we had this 1, 2, 3 or ABC, the top right into this 1.0 extension here, then an ABC down this morning. The day trading on this morning was picture bloody perfect. It gave you a short trade off the poke above the blue line and back down below it, and then it gave you the long trade off this fib hit here up. But we're in this resistance zone. We haven't taken out yesterday's high. We must take out yesterday's high and head up here. I suspect this, if anything, is the A wave, then we get the B back, and then we get the C up into this region here later on today, if that's what we're going to get in the UK FTSE.